Hey guys, this is a Ttdeye context review. This is for brown eyes. I just wanted a hint of color. I don't want to walk around looking crazy. So these are all the little knickknacks they give you in the box and everything. And this is the container, the eye contact container to hold your contacts, tweezers to pull them out. And this other little thing is to help you put them in your eye. So yeah. Now, this is a prescription because I am blind. For all the blind people out there, get your prescription. Now, this is my eye naturally. And we're going to start with Amber Brown. Amber Brown is really pretty, light brown, just a hint. And this eye is the contact and the other eye is without. Now, this is with both contacts in. It is so pretty. Just a hint of brown. So cute. So let's go to the next one. This is Amber Gray. Amber Gray has a little brown in the middle and gray on the outside. So this is the eye with the contact and the other side is without. Now, these you could barely even see. But I like my contacts like that. I just want a hint of something. Just a hint. Nothing dramatic. And this is what they look like up close. Real pretty, real subtle, not doing too much. And this is what they look like instant light. Now let's go to the next one. Nomi Brown. This is what they look like. They have like a little greenish outline and brown on the inside. Now these are it. It's just a little subtle something. A little subtle something. So let's see which one I'll go with. So Nomi Brown won for today. Girl, go ahead and buy you some cute little contacts just to zhuzh up your look. And I'll see you next time. Bye.